Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will gonna have a tutorial, and if you are new to my channel, just consider to hit the bell button and the subscribe button just right down below, okay? Because today's video we will gonna talk a activation lock. So paano nga ba itong activation lock? Okay, so ang activation lock po ay nangyayari po yan. It's because of your account which is sign in iCloud. Okay? So tandaan po natin, ang iCloud ay napaka-importante po yung bagay na yan because it's a security from the owner. Okay? That's the security from Apple. And using your account, it will be saved to iCloud. Okay? So ngayon po, kapag mayroon po tayong Apple ID at na-sign in natin sa iCloud, pag na-reset or na-reformat natin ang ating unit, ito po yung lalabas, yung activation lock. So yun nga guys, no? So dapat po nating malaman na napakahalaga po ng ating Apple ID. Dapat po i-memorize or tandaan natin yung mga password or yung passcode niyan, kasi nga po napaka-importante po yan, lalo na po kapag nawala yung iPhone natin at gusto nating i-recover. Need talaga yung Apple ID. At yung problema po kasi dyan, kapag nakalimutan natin, heto yung lalabas, activation lock. Kung hindi niyo po alam yung password at saka yung email, mayroon tayong solution dyan, yung how to recover the Apple ID as well as the password. Okay? So ngayon po ay pag-usapan natin activation lock. So kung nagkakaroon po tayo ng activation lock, meaning po it's been locked. Okay? So na-lock po yan with our Apple account. So ngayon po, need po yan ng Apple device para po ma-activate ulit. Okay? So right here, I have the iPhone 8 Plus. Okay? So ito po yung iPhone 8 Plus na activation lock. Okay? So ito po yung link, or ito po yung tinatawag natin na mensahe. Okay? So this iPhone is linked to an Apple ID. Enter the Apple ID and password that were used to set up this iPhone. And meron po tayong hint dito para alam natin yung unang letter. Okay? Nag-start po ito sa letter L. Okay? Lemma. Okay? Okay, letter L. Okay? So, at gmail.com. Ito po yung dot guys. Nakikita niyo naman na yung 5 dot. Hindi po yan yung hint na 5 lang talaga yung word or letter or number na exact dyan. So, remember guys na yung dot is nothing guys. Wala po yung kinalaman kung ano yung Apple ID mo. Okay? So, yung L, kahit ilang letter pa yan or aabot pa yan ng 10 or aabot pa yan ng 20 letters or numbers. Okay? So, at gmail.com. So, ito po yung hint. L ... at gmail.com. Hindi po yan maaring maging Yahoo or iCloud. It's Gmail. Yes. Okay? So, yan po ang ating i-recover. Okay? Pag na-recover na po yan guys, or alam nyo yung Apple ID, the email, so you will type here, here, you will type to Apple ID. Okay? So, and you will type the password. So, guys, dapat alam natin yung password. Okay? So, hint lang po sa mga viewers natin dyan, yung password po is napaka-sensitive niyan. Okay? So, halimbawa po, kung nagre-recover po tayo ng ating Apple ID password. Okay? Remember, ito yung hint para sa pag-recover or pag-input ng ating tinatawag na password. First of all, dapat may capital. Okay? May capital letter. Uppercase. Okay? Second is mayroong lowercase or small letter. Okay? And then, dapat po mayroong number. Okay? It's either isa, dalawa, or anong gusto mo, yung favorite number mo. Okay? And then, dapat po is 8 characters or more. Okay? So, dapat yung tandaan guys, dapat may capital, may small, and it is composed of letters and numbers and 8 characters above. Kuha nyo? Okay? So, yun po guys yung hint para po mag-input po tayo ng ating Apple ID password. Okay? So guys, yun nga po guys, no? So, dapat po nating tandaan or isulat natin sa ating notebook. Okay? Advice ko lang po sa mga viewers natin dyan, kung mayroon po tayong Apple device is huwag niyo pong ilagay sa cellphone or sa notes natin. Kasi nga po, example lang, inilagay natin sa notes, nakalimutan niyo yung passcode ng inyong cellphone, na reformat, everything will be erased. Okay? So, wala po tayong idea kung ano yon or nakasave lang sa notes. Okay? Hindi po ma-recover or mahirap. Okay? Okay lang kung alam niyo talaga. Pero, the best po gawin po guys is isulat sa notebook and keep in a safe place. That's my idea on how to keep your private or your important files. Okay? Take note, ilagay mo sa isang notebook or okay, so pocket notebook and keep in a safe place. That's all. Okay? So, yun po guys yung advice ko. And then, guys, kung nagre-recover po tayo ng ating Apple ID, guys, it's kung nagre-recover po tayo ng Apple ID, guys, a lots of tinatawag natin na solution para po ma-recover. And in my next guys, in my next video, I will teach you on how to recover your Apple ID. Okay? I will leave a description down below para po ay magkakaroon po tayo ng idea. Okay? So, mayroon pong tinatawag natin na basta a lot of solution on how to recover your Apple ID. And guys, siguro dito lang po tayo nagtatapos, and I do hope na mayroon po tayong natutunan. And guys, sana po is magtulungan po tayo para po sa ating ikaangat ng ating channel. Okay? So sana po guys, nagustuhan niyo ang video, and guys, don't forget to like, share, comments, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget also to press the bell button below para updated ka sa lahat ng video ko. And guys, just consider to hit the ring bell button para nga po updated po kayo. Okay? So, guys, salamat po, and God bless us all. And that's all. Bye-bye and babus.